Okay, so the next couple of sections in leadership are about how to actually put it into practice. So the first thing is that if you want to see certain results, you need to be the role model in your work environment. So if you want to see servant leadership, you need to be the servant leader. If you want to see more visionary leadership, you need to be the visionary leader. If you want to see more transformation, you need to start to put in practice those transformational models of leadership. So you have to lead by example. Okay, you got to be the role model in that work environment. So whatever you are, you will start to see in those in your team. Okay, so that's one thing to know. Then we're going to go on to how do we develop leadership. So first thing that we've got to do is we've got to identify where we want to get to. We want to understand what is the result that we want to see. So achieve the task and specify the result. So let's get the team together. First thing that you're going to do is you can tell them what you want to see, what you want to achieve, what is the task that we're going to do, what is the result, to what standard, to what quality, how many numbers of things do we want to put is that going to are we going to need in order to achieve the task. Okay, so you got to put that as clearly as possible to the rest of the team. Then you got to build the team. You got to find out their strengths. You got to find out their weaknesses. You got to know what they're passionate about. You got to collaborate. You got to get them to talk. You got to get them to work together, to inspire each other. You build the team, and that becomes part of your function as a leader. Work out what makes them tick, and then specify tasks that link up to their strengths. And then you got to plan the task together. Everyone takes responsibility, and the leader takes accountability for the rest of the team to develop whatever goal or objective they need to accomplish. Then you've got to develop the individuals. You've got to do some guidance, some coaching, some sitting, some talking, some counseling, even. You've got to hear about their strengths. You've got to hear about their stories. You've got to hear about their personalities. And then you've got to recognize them, reward them, and affirm them as individuals. So you've got to do all three in order to start to see this team take shape. So achieve the task, specify the result, build the team, and then develop the individuals within that team. Then you're going to start to see some changes. Okay, so now the next thing that you're going to do, so we know about being a role model, we know about how to start to see the changes, what you need to do, and then I want you to tell me what is the most correct answer. So you now know the theory, go to that value test, give me what is the most correct answer under those different options, okay? So that is on page 35 of your notes. Okay, 35 and 36, you have 5 questions that you need to answer. So I'm going to give you, let's give it 10 minutes. So you can read through that first statement, and then you are going to give me what is the most correct answer in that situation. Okay, so you guys have got 10 minutes to look through those things, give me the most correct answer, and then we'll come back and mark it. So 10 minutes starting now.